I'm certain most Nigerians remember the song we all sang back in the day when someone bashes another person's car. You don't hit my car, oyibo rekbete. I see you don't bash my car, gbese rekbete. Let me save your ears from my horrible voice, please. So, with that nostalgic song from Tony Tetwila, you're welcome back to Insurance Unfiltered with Gina Miller. Today, we're taking a ride into the world of motor insurance in Nigeria. But not to worry, I'll try to go slow and easy so you would understand everything. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is motor insurance? Simply put, motor insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company that protects you against financial loss in case of an accident, theft, or damage to your vehicle. Now, let's hit the road, albeit slowly, and explore some of its benefits. Buckle up, guys, because the ride just started. The major types of motor insurance covers are comprehensive insurance and the common one, third-party motor insurance. Excuse me. As we progress, I'll touch on both covers and make you understand the importance of having them. Okay? Boom, boom. The first benefit we'll be looking at is financial protection. Imagine this. You're driving down the road and suddenly, boom, you're in an accident and wondering how you'd get yourself out of the predicament due to the perceived expenses. Without insurance, everything would seem extremely bleak for you because you'll be thinking, how do you pay the money all by yourself? But guess what, my friends? With motor insurance, you do not need to worry at all because your insurance company will take the worries off you. It's like having a financial safety net for all your insurance worries. The next benefit is the legal compliance. In Nigeria, it's mandatory to have at least third-party motor insurance to legally drive on the road. This means if you're caught without insurance, you could be made to pay fines or even have your vehicle impounded. Trust me, friends, you wouldn't want that. So, having motor insurance keeps you on the right side of the law. Moving on, we've got the peace of mind benefit. Picture this. You're driving to work and suddenly your brake fails and you ram into the car in front of you. With motor insurance, you can reach out to your insurance company and they'll come to your rescue, even sorting out your towing van fees. So, knowing that you are protected against these unexpected expenses can give you peace of mind while cruising on the highway. But please, I beg, remember, you do not have spare lives at home. Drive safely to avoid accidents. That said, do you know that some motor insurance policies offer additional benefits like coverage for medical expenses, personal accident protection, and even car rental services while your car is being repaired? Yeah, they do. It's like getting a bonus package with your insurance. And you know, everyone loves freebies, even me. So let's veer off the highway to grab one more benefit. The no claims discount benefit. Believe it or not, having a motor insurance policy can actually save you money in the long run. Insurance companies often offer discounts such as no claims discount after a period of time to reduce the premium paid. It's like a reward given to drivers who are careful and haven't had any claim for a stipulated period of time at a stretch. Some companies even go as far as installing security features like car trackers for cars that are worth above certain amounts. So it pays to be insured if you want to enjoy these perks. Now, like I mentioned at the start of this episode, we'll be switching lanes to the limits of the two major covers because it's essential to know your insurance limits as an insurance policy holder. But before then, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Thank you. All right, we'll start with a common one, which is the third-party motor insurance policy. Third-party motor insurance policy is the bare minimum required to hit the road legally, not just in Nigeria, globally. Yeah. So make sure you're covered or you might find yourself in hot water with the law. Insurance policies typically have a maximum amount they pay out for damages caused to someone else's property, which is generally termed third party property damage, TPPD. I really need you guys to listen to that. Third party property damage. And in 2022, the insurance regulator in Nigeria, NICOM, reviewed the premium and TPPD limits for third party motor insurance in Nigeria. For private owned cars, the premium is 15,000 naira and its TPPD limit is 3 million naira. While for staff buses, the premium is 20,000 naira with a TPPD limit of 5 million naira. For trucks, it's 100,000 naira premium and 5 million naira TPPD limit. Tricycles, popularly known as keke napep, aren't left out. Its premium is 5,000 naira with a TPPD limit of 2 million naira. So, my friends, rather than stand on the road allowing your inner agbero to surface whenever there is a road accident, just check that your insurance is valid, exchange details with the other driver, and reach out to your insurance provider to make a claim. Have some class now. No need fighting on the road every time. That thing ikes me like crazy. God. Let me chip this in. To know if your motor insurance is genuine, just type your motor insurance policy number or registration details on the NIID website. When I said registration details, your plate number, that's your registration number. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. On the NIID website. The link will be in the description box below. NIID is the Nigerian Insurance Industry Database. All insured vehicles in Nigeria are duly registered on that site. And if yours isn't there, guys, it means the insurance you have is invalid. And you can't make a claim with it though. So please hurry up to that site and check to be sure that what you're carrying with you is the right insurance cover. I know what you're thinking right now is, how long does the claim process take? Well, it varies depending on the complexity of the claim and how quickly you provide the necessary information, which I mentioned in episode 1 of this series. If you haven't watched it, kindly do so, please, after this video. Thank you. So, guys, fear not though. Most claims are processed within a reasonable time frame as long as you cooperate with every and any investigations. And the faster you act, the smoother the process, so you can be back on the road in no time. Let's hurry up to the next bus stop where we'll be looking at the major motor insurance cover, which is the comprehensive insurance cover. Comprehensive motor insurance policies provide coverage for loss or damage to the insured car due to theft, attempted theft or vandalism, as well as third-party liabilities, and not forgetting covers like personal accident, medical expenses, and personal belongings covers. The coverage limit for comprehensive insurance varies based on factors such as the value of the car and the terms of the policy. It typically covers the cost of repairs or replacement of the car up to its market value when the need arises. It may also provide coverage for damage caused by natural disasters, such as floods like when it rains in Lagos, Nigeria, and the cars on the island get submerged in water. Disasters like earthquakes or other acts of nature, which, the limits for such damages depends on the terms of the policy and the extent of the damage. For good measure, let's quickly talk about drivers who shuttle the ECOWAS region. They need to also make sure that they have valid ECOWAS Brown Card, which is a mandatory motor insurance policy required for vehicles traveling within ECOWAS member countries, including Nigeria. It provides coverage for third-party liabilities, ensuring financial protection for drivers in case of accidents across the borders. In Nigeria, the coverage limit, though provided by the ECOWAS Brown Card, typically includes a minimum level of third-party liability insurance as mandated by NICOM and the ECOWAS Protocol. Oh, lest I forget, when you make a claim, you might hear the term loss adjuster. Don't fret, because they are like the detectives of the insurance industry. The FBI is investigating claims to determine the extent of the damage and ensure that you get a fair payout. So don't be scared when you hear such terms. They are there for you. They are there to make sure you get what is rightfully yours at the end of the day. Still on the matter of claims, do you know that as a good driver with no claims on your record, your insurance company can recommend you for good behavior and juicy discounts? I bet most of you are just knowing it. Imagine going for a driving test or interview and trying to explain to them how good you are at driving, but they still doubt you. Friends, a no claim letter from your insurance company might just be what you need to scale through. The no claim letter is like a badge of honor for responsible drivers. It proves that you've gone a certain period without making a claim and can score sweet discounts on future premiums while earning you bragging rights as well. So, if you know that you're a good driver and all that, you need that letter. That letter is worth its weight in gold, I swear down. Sorry. Even those of you who relocated abroad can request for it to get certain discounts when you need to apply for motor insurance over there. My email is in the description box below, so you can send in your request for any insurance you might need. I hope you've all hit the subscribe button though, else I'll take you past your bus stop. Oh. Alright, before we get to the end of this journey, I guess I should just throw in a few more covers you need to be aware of, especially if you've got motor insurance cover. That's the comprehensive one. I need to state that. The comprehensive motor insurance cover. Do you know that your comprehensive motor insurance policy also offers coverage for personal injuries sustained by the driver or passengers in the insured car? Well, it does. The coverage limits for personal injury can vary depending on the policy terms and may include medical expenses, rehabilitation costs, and lost income due to injuries. So, my dear drivers, let me add here that coverage limits may vary. Please, I'm sounding it again. Coverage limits may vary between insurance companies, and it's advisable to carefully, I repeat, carefully understand the specific coverage limits and the terms and conditions applicable to it, or get your insurance agent to do that for you. And there you have it, folks. Motor insurance, hopefully made simple and easy just for you. Remember, when it comes to hitting the road, it's safety first, insurance second, and adventure always. Until next time, this is Gina Miller zooming off. Enjoy your lives.